started May 27th of last year, so a little bit over a year. I have pretty much always worked out. My big deal was running long distance marathons, and I had a snow skiing accident and had surgery on my broken neck, and I was told no longer could I do long distance. So I knew I needed to do something different for more flexibility and making me more strong as far as muscles were concerned. I have definitely got much more muscle tone in my legs and my arms, and my core is much stronger. And it helps me mentally so much too. I've been trying the intermittent fasting, and I do really well until about noon, and then I eat everything in sight. So I'm having to alternate that. So I suggest that they come with an open mind and just making a point to be here. The group here is so fun, non-judgmental. You can work at your own pace, and if there's something that you're limited on doing, Jeff can always help you with an alternative exercise so that you don't get re-injured. But the main thing is just to get here. You'd be so motivated by the other people here and by Jeff, and it's just something I look forward to, even though it's exercise, but you're so motivated after you leave with your physical and mental self.